Hi there, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we debunk common gardening myths and provide you with the best tips for a thriving garden. Today, we're tackling a popular myth. Watering plants in the sun scorches their leaves. Let's dive right in. Many gardeners believe that watering plants in the sun can cause the leaves to burn. The idea is that water droplets act like tiny magnifying glasses, focusing the sunlight and scorching the leaves. But is this really true? Let's look at the science behind it. While it's true that water droplets can magnify sunlight, the effect is not strong enough to burn the leaves. The droplets are mostly made of water, which evaporates quickly, especially on a sunny day. In reality, what happens is that water evaporates faster when the sun is out. This can actually help keep the plant cool, rather than causing any damage. However, there are better times to water your plants. Early morning and late evening are ideal because the water has more time to soak into the soil and there's less evaporation. This ensures that your plants get the moisture they need to thrive. So the next time you hear that watering plants in the sun will scorch their leaves, you'll know it's just a myth. The key is to water at the right time for maximum absorption and minimal water waste. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and myth-busting facts. Happy gardening!